welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. Now let's move to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you accidentally block someone, so now you wanted to unblock, so this video is for you. Let's go to your Snapchat account. After go to Snapchat account, you have to go on your profile. After going on your profile, you can see there's a lot of options appear here, but now you have to unblock someone from setting, because this is option is available in the setting that you can unblock someone or block someone. So now you have to go to the setting. After going to the setting, you have to scroll down, and here you can see there is an option of block user on your screen. Now you have to go to the bottom of the setting, and here you can see there's an option block user, view my story. Under that there's an option block user. You have to touch on that, and you can see after pressing on that, all the block user will be appear on your screen. Now you have to decide whether you want to unblock or not unblock. After that, you can see on my screen there are 4 block user. Now I'm going to show you how to unblock them. Simply you just have to press on the cross option. After pressing on the cross option, you can see there's an option, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchat user? So if you are sure that you wanted to unblock this user, you can easily unblock this user by this method. This is very easy method. So this is how you can easily block or unblock someone on your Snapchat account. Hope so friend you like this video and enjoying. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Now you can see I unblock one user, and now I'm going to unblock second user and then third user and all the user on my Snapchat account. This is experimental video, so hope so you understand. I have to hide the content. So now you can see there's list no blocked user. Now you have 0 block user. So this is video how you can easily unblock someone.